welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I am bringing you wonderful unboxing. I partner up with my friends from Beebeecraft and they send me beautiful things from their site. I want you to see them, and in the description box down below I'm going to leave you the link to their website and also for everything I got from them. They have a wonderful store, online store, and you can get everything you need for your crafting needs in this pandemic. So I will also be sharing with you what I've been up to. It's been a while since I've been making videos, but I want to share with you everything that's been going on here and with my family and in Puerto Rico. So stay tuned. Let's get that unboxing started. First, we have our packing slip that comes over here on front of our box, and it has a list of everything we ordered from them. As you can see here, that's our packing slip on our box. Now we're gonna try, and you're gonna see me struggle opening our package. Yes, lots of struggle. Now, as you can see, it's really nicely packaged on bubble wrap, and I love when my packages come like that. A little bit of hand sanitizer, you know, pandemic mentality. And I'm gonna open that tape using my scissors so we can access our contents. It's really nicely packaged. I love it because nothing is gonna break over there. Once we reach the inside, I'm gonna show you everything we got. We have some shells that I will show you a little bit later. We have a packing list that has pictures of everything we have. These blocks, they are so beautiful. I'm gonna show you a little bit later how big they are. And also we have this burlap. First, let me grab those burlap placemats so you can see them up close. They are really wonderful quality of sturdy burlap. I love them, and they are lots of fun to do some crafting. And now we have our blocks. I'm gonna show you the sizes. This is the smaller one, as you can see, and here we have the big one. Look at that. They are wonderful for crafting. Now I'm gonna bring the seashells again. As you can see, they come in a plastic bag. That's a plastic bag that the package has. And those are the seashells, craft seashells. Let me open. It has some foam so they don't wiggle around into the packaging. And these are the seashells. They are so beautiful. Look at them. Beautiful. Let me just get this over here so we can move on. Look at those. We have lots of colors over there, from white to blues. And now I'm gonna show you the burlap placemats again, and I'm gonna count them for you. We have 10 in that pack. They are so good for crafting. Not only as placemats, you can use them for different type of crafts, including the frames, just the back part for the frame. You can do wall hangings, you can do a lot of things, and you will see lots of projects with all of this. If you stayed here to see what I've been through all of these months, I will tell you that we had lots of tremors after the earthquake, and we've been just working ourselves out of that situation. Thankfully, my family, it's okay, everyone, it's okay. We're having just a little bit of time to adjust, and in this pandemic, we've just been trying to work things out and just get used to this that's been changing. And as you know, my kids have autism, so for them it's a little bit hard to get used to all of these changes, not going out, not being able to go to school and all of that. I'm gonna keep on doing more videos over here, and you will see more from those products that I showed you. In the next video, I think it will be for next week, so stay tuned for that video, and I'm gonna have 2 videos from those products. Stay tuned so you can see that. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, please stay home. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care, bye bye.